Solderstar software tools are recognized as some of the best in the industry. Help is available at every step of the way, with many oven and solder paste specifications pre-defined in our software libraries, plus wizards to help quickly perform common tasks. Profiles can instantly be determined as good or bad using our graphical process checker functions. Long gone are the days of operators having to manually interpret tables of confusing numbers. Where profile improvement is required, our software can automatically search millions of combinations of oven heater and speed changes to quickly find improved solutions. Searches can be performed to maximize throughput, lower energy consumption, or aim for optimal process settings. Profile combinations can be established that require only speed changes to be performed on the oven, resulting in improved process changeover times.